In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access users and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Password Management. Select Google Password Manager and tap on the password that you wish to get rid of. Enter your screen lock. Hit Delete and confirm your choice by tapping on Delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!